Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Apple TV remote directional buttons to use buttons instead of swipe gestures on your iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Accessibility. Then we go down and tap on Apple TV Remote. And then in here, tap on Directional Buttons, toggle button, to switch it off or switch it on. Once it is turned on, your Apple TV Remote will use buttons on the iPhone Apple TV Remote instead of swipe gestures. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.